Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be trying an all-new protein soda from Joyburst. The protein foods are crazy. I saw Doritos is putting out protein Doritos. We got protein cereals,
yeah, pretzels,
drinks, coffee creamers, but protein sodas seem to be the hot new category.
Yeah, so I first saw these, I think, at Costco, and I saw the flavors, and anything that's like cotton candy or gummy bears seems really good. And that was protein soda. We all want protein. So the good thing is that there's added protein. The bad thing is it's only 4 grams, really. It's not a huge amount.
And compared to Bucked Up was one of the first companies to kick this off, 20 grams of protein. Really good amount.
Yep.
The Bear Bells has 10.
Yes.
It's also kind of an energy drink too.
And the clear protein at Costco as well is 30 grams. That's considered more of a protein drink, but it kind of tastes like a soda as well.
Fancy Gourmet or whatever that brand is.
Okay. Exactly. So this I would expect, the protein is whey protein isolate, which is good, but being only 4 grams, where some of those other ones tastes like a carbonated protein drink.
Right.
I think this one is going to taste like
soda.
a regular soda with some added protein, no caffeine.
Although I say the Bucked Up one is pretty good despite having 20 grams of protein.
Yep, exactly. So we're going to see about this. Again, 4 grams of protein, no caffeine, and 20 calories a can. Which one do you want to try first?
Yeah, I really like the flavors too. We're not just getting like blue raz or fruit punch. We got some interesting stuff. Let's go cotton candy.
Cotton candy first. All right. I'm a big fan of cotton candy.
If only that had marshmallow, right?
Oh, the marshmallow was. Remember, were you here when I used to go out and find the marshmallow on my Rockstar? I think that was
Rockstar,
it.
Yeah. Oh, you were hunting those down.
I posted on Facebook. Some girl grabbed me quite a few one day. It was great. All right, cotton candy. Not as sweet as like a Ghost.
No, yeah. Really no protein aftertaste at all.
Mm-mm.
It's good, very mellow into flavor.
Yes,
which,
exactly.
like we talk about, like the Ghost and things like that. Sometimes it's almost too much to drink a big old can of that. So.
Yep. Let's try the fuzzy peach. You a fan of peach rings?
I like peach rings, yeah.
Now, when you go home, and you're like, I want some fruit, do you eat a peach?
No, I'll probably have a grapes.
Grapes are good. Yeah. Oh, well, I don't know about those cotton candy grapes.
Oh, yeah.
Those come around once a year. Whew.
I think there's a stronger flavor on that one.
I was just going to say, it definitely is a stronger flavor.
Not really any sweeter, but much stronger in the flavor.
No, you can taste the peach rings. Definitely stronger flavor.
Yeah, it's my number 1 so far.
All right, Gummy Bear Sparkles, which...
Love gummy bears, but most flavors, they taste good, but they kind of miss the mark. You don't really get that distinct gummy bear taste.
What's the... Bucked Up has their white gummy bear, right?
Yeah, that was pretty good, actually. That's pretty spot on.
You think so?
A lot of them are just kind of like sugary candy. You get that kind of really distinct gummy bear flavor with this.
Say a little bit. I don't know if somebody didn't tell me it was gummy bears, I don't know if I would get it. The gummy bear.
I don't know if it's white gummy or if it's like you tossed a handful of different colored gummies in your mouth.
Yeah. It's probably my least favorite though.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
You like that white gummy bear? Okay.
Now we always rank these 1 through 10 on
Yes.
carbonation, strength of flavor, and sweetness. What are you going to go on the carbonation?
I think it is. It felt like it was carbonated. It's bubbling up down there. I'm going to give it 7.5.
Really? That's high.
You think it's lower than that, huh?
I mean, how would you say this compares to Bucked Up?
Bucked Up is much stronger. Yeah, Bucked Up is probably.
I'd say those are very lightly carbonated.
The Bucked Up?
Yeah.
No, we got different taste profiles. Carbonation. Everybody's different.
I think this is probably more than some of the others I've had. I'm gonna go like 5.
Oh, that's low. Okay.
Strength of flavor.
I think, especially this one, I think has the strongest strength of flavor. So this one, I'm probably going to do a 7.5, probably down to a 7 to a 6.5.
Yeah, I'm gonna go like 7.5 on this one.
Yeah, the flavor's, that's a good one.
And level of sweetness.
So like I think we mentioned earlier that these are definitely more mellow flavors. So I think a lot of the energy drinks like Ghost, Bucked Up, some of the other ones are much more sweet than these. So I'm going to probably go like a 6 on this.
So I agree with you there, 6. And it's kind of nice to have something that's not so in your face.
Yeah, definitely. But overall, yeah, great option if you're, a pop drinker and you're maybe used to drinking, zero sugar. These are good options, good flavors. You're going to get a little protein, but don't think that's going to take you into some metabolic monster. It's only 4 grams. But definitely a great option for drinks like this. So we don't sell it. I think it's probably a Costco only kind of drink. But we'll link down to it, and you can decide for yourself. But hopefully you enjoyed this review. And that is John. I'm Jeff. Thanks for watching.